Hi, this is Sherry with Finishing Touches. Today we have a job showing the banded shades. Here you can see all three of them. Now we're going to release them, and you'll see as they come down how they create a layered effect. And then you can actually stop them, continue going down. So these essentially give you three options. You can have them all the way in the headrail. You can bring them down all the way and get privacy, or you can open them partially to have the light filter through, protect your furnishings, and have some view through. So here you have them all down. Now I'm going to hit the favorite position once they start up. And there you have all three lined up. This is Sherry with Finishing Touches.